Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to break free from Microsoft Word's standard formatting and move your text freely anywhere on the page. Normally, Word locks your text to margins, line breaks, and paragraph spacing. If you want to place text right next to an image or in a specific blank corner, hitting the spacebar or enter key is frustrating and usually breaks your entire layout. Here is the cleanest way to fix this. First, select the text you want to move and cut it by pressing Ctrl X on your keyboard. Next, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on Shapes and select the text box tool. Click and drag anywhere on your document to draw the text box, then press Ctrl V to paste your text inside it. Now you can drag this box exactly where you want it to sit on the page. To make it look like regular text and seamlessly blend into your document, we just need to remove the box's background and border. Select your text box, which will open the Shape Format tab at the top. Click on Shape Outline and select No Outline. Then click on Shape Fill and select No Fill. That is it. The box itself is now completely invisible. You have transparent floating text that you can freely drag and drop anywhere on the page without messing up the rest of your document. If this quick tip helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.